Hey, you guys. Okay, I'm really sorry, first off, that I have not gotten back to you. Um, this is the Canning Nana, and I'm having kind of an asthma attack. So, after I posted that last video, um, I kind of hurt my back really bad. um, couldn't walk. Had to have my son pick me up. He's 25. Um, I don't know what I would have done if he wasn't here. So, went to the doctor last week. Went to the doctor today, and they don't think I did anything except for exasperate the um, herniated disc that I already have, which is three. One is 6 millimeters, pressing on a nerve. So, if you guys pray, please pray for me. I'm feeling better. I really am. But I haven't been able to get this online, or I wanted to do lemon curd this week for my daughter because my daughter's coming down. And then I will be going up there later on this month and maybe doing a few videos from there. I would really like to do that. It's really cool up there. She is in the San Francisco area, and Sacramento, San Francisco. Really, really cool area, really beautiful. And where we're going with the kids is really cool. We went last year and the year before, and it's amazing. So I'm probably gonna post videos from there. I've been feeling so bad, guys. We had to move out of our house of 7 years, and that was one of the hardest things I've done in a long time. I know some of you know that I took care of my mom for 10 plus years, and she passed away in 2013 in the house that we just left. So that house it really meant a lot, emotionally, spiritually. It really meant a lot. So I feel her with me. I feel my dad with me. I feel a real peace. I know we're supposed to be here. There is no doubt in my mind. I know we're supposed to be here. When I first saw this house online, I told my daughter that this is where we're moving. And she said, "Well, Mom, have you applied for this house?" And I said, "No, not yet, but I know we're going to live there." And we toured the house and felt really super comfortable here. Really, really comfortable. And it's all worked out. It's all worked out. It's the only place that we applied for to rent. So after living 7 years in the Ventura house that you guys have seen, the backyard, the kitchen, and everywhere in between, we are now in a different city that I'm not going to name. We're really close to the ocean, though. We're super close. About as close as we were in Ventura. We're not far at all. So I feel really good about this. And I want you guys all to feel really good about this too. This was a really good move, a much needed move. We are now looking for a home to own. And I'm not sure that we would have done this without this move. So, yeah, keep us in your prayers. And we will get back to canning and recipes and everything else I know I promised you guys several times, and I'm really sorry, but family stuff comes first. And I'm sure some of you realize that and you understand that, that we really have to keep family first. That's what we have, is our family. And in our spiritual life, family comes first and then everything else. So in saying this, I will give you guys the tour of our home as soon as it's presentable, I guess. You can see the fireplace over there and a bunch of boxes. This is my dining room, and it's a clutter mess. Everything is a clutter mess, really. I have another room, a third bedroom, that I really want to turn into an office, and my desk is in there that I have not seen in 20 years. Story to come later, and that's a story in its own. But I need to use my inhaler. So this is my living room, and I hope that it will be uncluttered soon. This is my dining room, and I really need it to be uncluttered because the whole house is cluttered with boxes and all kinds of stuff. It really sucks to move, guys. It really, really does. And when you haven't done it in so long and without a loved one, it really, really sucks. It really does. So, I'm gonna go. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't want to do this. I really didn't. So that's my front door. And this is my living room. And no, I'm not crying. I just can't breathe. I really can't breathe. I've been having a really bad problem with asthma. But this is my backyard now. So we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. And we need your prayers more than anything in the world. We really do. So, please pray for us. If you pray, please keep us in your thoughts and your prayers. And I will be back really soon, hopefully this week. I'm going to do something on lemon curd and some other stuff. So we'll be productive together. I have a garage that is a new pantry for me that I've never had before. So that's new. This is a blessing. It's really a blessing. And I claim it as joy. I really do. I claim it all as joy. In the name of the Lord. I really do. Jesus has been amazing to us. You guys, whether you believe or not, this journey has taken us to, oh my God, places I've never been, and I've been a Christian since I was 9. This is amazing. It's amazing. And this is our backyard. Literally, it's our backyard. So I love you all. Thank you for staying in touch with me. Thank you for staying in touch and keeping up with my videos. We're at 2,900. So let's make that 3,000 really soon. We're going to give away a big prize at 3,000, and I will see you all soon. I love you all. Thank you. Keep watching, subscribe, and I will not let you down. I promise. Bye, guys.